Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Cadillac Escalade. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 82,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and OnStar.